to show you how I order, and like I say, spend 5 minutes doing this and it will save you a lot of time in the future. Okay, so come over here, I go to, you can see me the reflection there, hello. Order by price list, click on that. Then this comes here. Now, all those numbers I sent you are these numbers, okay? And so if you just add the number in there, so for instance, if I was going to add it in like 4462, this would appear, okay? Right now, obviously that's already pink, but if it wasn't, I'd make it pink, and now it gets added to my favorites. Okay, so I'll come over here, it says by filter, and I'll just click on favorites. And now what happens now is, also I've got to get rid of that so you can see it properly. All my favorite products, which are basically just a list of the most popular products. That's all they are. So it saves me a lot of time, because if I was going to go to this thing over here, right, let's say all products, and I was going to type in, let's say, banana, you know, you ain't got to type the whole thing in, but let's just say I start to type in banana, look what happens. All these products that might have a banana product in there appear, and it's just, I mean, the product I'm looking for, the full one, look, there it is, right way down there. So spend a couple of minutes, add them all, go through that list of numbers, add them all to there. Over time, you might find a couple others you want to add, and then all you do is, if you want to add a product to cart, I think you know this already, so I don't know why I'm telling you this, but like just click on there, it gets added to cart, go through the process, you know, buy now kind of thing. And then if you haven't got the person's address in there, you'll have an option to add their address. Like say if they live in the UK, just use the UK page. If they live in another country, just change the page at the top to the country that they live in, and it will be delivered to their house that way. Cool.